my world. I don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do this intro super quick because I am on the way to class and probably not late, but I feel like I'm late. I don't know. Basically today's gonna be another college day in my life. I like filming these videos and I feel like especially right now it's just really interesting to see what everyone's school's up to, what their personal life is like, and just like how COVID is changing things. So yeah, today's Tuesday. I had a really productive day yesterday, so I kind of wish I filmed it, but also not sure it would have been that productive if I had filmed it. Today I just have some little things to do. I have to edit a video, I have to work on some stuff for UVA, do some schoolwork, and then also tonight I'm going grocery shopping. Well, I guess this afternoon I'm going grocery shopping and doing a couple errands with Liv. I might get Dunkin' because they just got oat milk and it's seriously so good. Recommend to everyone. If you guys like college days in life like this, feel free to subscribe down below. I make new college videos every week, and let's get this day going. Also, I would just like to note that it is currently 9:13 a.m. and I've been getting up these days around like 8 a.m. 8. Like, you guys can zoom back to any one of my like quarantine videos, especially like the finals week or any of the productive ones, and I'm like, yeah, started off a little late today, got up at like 11 or 12, and now I'm getting up at 8 a.m. and I go to bed at 12. Excuse me, who is she? Anyways, this day is gonna be super productive, just like yesterday. Maybe I'll work out, actually. That'd probably be good for me, and I definitely need to like wash my hair. Okay, yeah, rambling. I gotta go to class. Let's go.
Call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be.
It's currently 12:47. I was just doing some work in our room, but Claire's still in class. That's why I didn't speak in there, obviously. I was just working on rough cutting my video, which definitely gonna take me a hot minute. I didn't do a ton of that, honestly. I was just watching like YouTube and kind of working on that and like doing a couple other things, but now it's 12:45 and I have in an hour this marketing networking something event. I don't really know what I'm even supposed to like do. I don't know how to network. Does anyone else not know how to network? Because like I don't know how to do that, so that's a different problem, but that's in an hour, so I don't even know. I'm wearing a sweatshirt right now, but I have this top underneath, so I'm like, do I wear this? Do I have to like dress up? I don't know, like what's the vibe? Anyways, I'm out here now because I wanted a change of scenery and I wanted to talk to you guys. I don't really have much to say, but honestly right now I'm debating whether I should do all the little things I've been needing to do, which has like been such a pressing thing, but also like just been too lazy to sit down and actually do them, or if I should work on my video. I feel like I should work on my video actually, because I just like keep pushing. This is like always like my last task, and it's gotten to the point where like obviously I'm trying to post once a week, and eventually it's just not gonna happen if I don't, you know, edit the video. So that's probably what I'm gonna do right now. I don't really want to do the tasks anyway. I'm gonna procrastinate them just a little bit further. Also, I'm putting on my dorky headphones. They're from Bose. They look so stupid. These are amazing headphones. If you guys are looking to invest, I highly recommend noise canceling headphones. If you're living with roommates especially. I also spent some time kind of planning out my videos for next month or so. Honestly, the thing is like, as much as like I want to obviously post as much as I can, I just really need to be on top of my in order for that to happen, or else it's just eating into my sleeping time. Recently I've been like honestly pretty good about time management, which has been great and shocking to all parties, I'm sure. But oh, like I was saying about the videos, what am I even like, I feel like I'm all over the place right now. At the moment, the only videos I can really like film are like days of my life, week of my life, etc. And I was honestly kind of struggling with like thinking whether or not my videos were like good enough to post. Like they were definitely like fine. It was just like never, like I just filmed one on Thursday and Friday and it still felt like not enough clips, and I'm editing it now and it's like a lot of clips, but I'm like, is it up to par with how I'm usually? I'm not sure. It's one of those things too, it's like, okay, I'm not gonna post it though unless it's really that bad, because even if I don't like it, sometimes like other people like it. So I don't know. Obviously I live in a house with like 20 plus girls, so finding time to film when I'm alone is honestly pretty hard, especially with virtual classes. Like I can't just sit in my room and film. Obviously I have 2 roommates, but then also like everyone's here all the time because no one really goes to class like physically, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's been interesting. It's my little rant. I'm gonna stop procrastinating, get my work done, and I'll talk to you guys after the event. Alright guys, I am tired. I just finished up that networking event, and honestly at first it was a little awkward just because like I had to network with people, obviously, because that was what it was for. We like started off with that and I was just like unprepared, and also it was not so much unprepared, it was just more like literally it was for like Darden and McIntyre grads, or not grads but like students, but pretty much everyone there was in Darden, so they were like, oh yeah, like they were using all these acronyms. I was like, I don't even, kept calling it EMBA instead of an MBA. I don't even know, but like I was just like I'm a 3rd year. I felt like it was a very productive use of time, which I'm really glad about. And then they actually invited us to another event in like a month or so with this big speaker, so I'm just so excited about all of that. Anyways, now it's like 3:03. My ears are killing me from the AirPods. I really can only wear them for like an hour tops, and I wore them for an hour and 15. My ears just really hurt, so I'm done with those for the day. But I'm gonna text Liv and see what time she wants to go grocery shopping. I think she maybe has a class until 3:30. I don't know, I'll have to text her. But I made coffee. I don't even think I took a video clip of it, but I was rushing a little bit, so I might sit down here and just do some editing. I'm currently in the piano room, which I don't think I've ever showed you guys. I don't have my legs kicked up at the moment, but it just looks like this. It is so pretty in here. This is also in a corner of the house, so we have windows all around and the lighting is just immaculate in here. So yeah, anytime I have like a professional thing these days, I just put on this top with whatever bottoms I'm already wearing. But it's this top that I just featured in my haul that I just did. I don't know, like no one watched it, so if you want to watch my back to school haul, please feel free. I'll just like put it somewhere. It's just this top with like a line down the middle and these ruffle sleeves. It looks professional, it's comfy. Still wearing it with this, but okay, so I'm actually just gonna clean up the kitchen right now because I'm on dishwasher duty this week. Woohoo! So I need to unload the dishwasher, do some dishes, and then also I'm gonna clean out my section of the fridge that's ready for when all of my groceries come back. Don't mind the mask. I just cleaned up the kitchen and I assessed what I needed at the grocery store, which honestly is not even that much. I'm about to head over to Liv's, pick her up. We're gonna go grocery shopping. Also, I have a snack. I can't even show you guys. I have like 3 extra masks to put on my car because I ran out of those. I don't know how. And then, jeez, I'm dropping it. Okay. Guys, it feels amazing outside. It's like a high of 70 today. This morning it was 55. That's like fall weather. That's amazing. Also, I have these little Sargento Balance Bites things. Oh my gosh. Okay, frat boy walking by. That was heinous. These little Sargento Bite things, they're amazing. You guys should definitely try them out if you're looking for a quick little snack. It's 180 calories, really filling, and just pretty light, but like still filling, if you know what I mean. So, great option if you're on the go. Whenever I vlog, it makes you look so small. I should go like this.
I think I just look like a freak.
We're at Trader Joe's. The line is just about the longest we've ever seen, and we don't have time for that today. We're gonna put up with it because we're freaking here. Trader Joe's was a success. We got 5 bags between the 2 of us, which is crazy. And it took like definitely a hot minute to get in, but it didn't take that long, which is nice. And I spent like $55, which isn't bad because I'm only getting like 2 things at Wegmans. So actually I take that back. I have to get produce and chicken.
I have a lot of things to do.
Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe we'll spend more. But I'm trying to keep it under 100 for today. And now just looking at my gas, I might need to get gas too. And Liv has yet another. I didn't even notice that you got a plant. Like, this girl has, I mean, easily 8 plants.
1, 2.
She's got a lot on her windowsill, even more.
7. This is the 8th one.
Okay, that's the 8th. She's addicted.
I think this is something, what is the TikTok? It's like, people say I'm obsessed with this, but I think this is a healthy obsession.
Oh, this is, yeah. I'll insert TikTok here.
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
Well, my phone's about to die, and it seems my camera's gonna die soon. Catch you guys over at Wegmans. We're at Liv's apartment complex. She's currently unloading her groceries. I ended up spending $110, so. But yeah, so she's dropping off her groceries, then I'm dropping off my groceries, and then we're coming back. We have to walk back here because I can only park over near Kaio and stuff. I'm gonna bring some stuff to make dinner with. I think I'm going to do like a bunch of veggies and Italian sausage, well, Italian chicken sausage with some pasta. So I'll probably bring a battery for my camera because I need to charge it obviously. And then I think we're just gonna do work at her apartment just because that's easier. Perfect. You look great. Hello everyone, long time no talk. Basically, I just sat on Liv's bed for a long time and watched TikTok. Also, this is non-focus. Also, I look like mascara running. It's currently like 9:30, 9:45, and we're gonna go downstairs to the study rooms in her building just to go get some work done and change up our scenery. But I've already kind of decided. I think I'm gonna spend the night tonight just because I don't have to be in person tomorrow for comm, which is really nice. So I can just take all my classes online here from like 9:30 to 12:15. So I'm just gonna do that, and it's just way more convenient than having to walk all the way home. Plus, like, the later at night it gets, the more sketchy it gets. So so we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna grind, get a lot of work done, and then I need a shower, take off all my makeup, get ready for bed, hopefully around like 12-ish. Got a ton of stuff done in the past couple minutes, but I did a lot of little things that I've been procrastinating all day today, and honestly for a hot minute.
I didn't know how to scan a document first. I was trying to copy it apparently.
Oh my god. So I've finished everything else for the day besides rough cutting my video. I just don't think that's gonna happen tonight. Now it's currently 10:09. So I'm going to read all of my group members' memos. I have to like edit them and stuff. So I'm gonna do that on my iPad. I've already downloaded all of them on here and I'm gonna proofread them. And then I need to upload this back up to Google Drive. And then I need to do my readings for my class tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna be doing until around 11:45 when I'm gonna shower. Hopefully I get it all done before then. Well, I am definitely looking a bit rough now, aren't we? Do not need to be in the direct light right now. I just got out of the shower, I washed my hair. Nice to shower off the day. I don't know, I feel like it's been a long one. I can't believe it's only Tuesday. It literally feels like it could be Thursday, but I'm going to end off this video here. I'm about to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like college days in life, definitely subscribe down below. I make new videos every week, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
Reminiscing on the time when we first met, I was tongue-tied.